Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay New Jersey taxes online. How you can file it online. It's very important, but first of all you have to gather all your documents. So let me show you which documents you need. So first one is W2. If you don't know this form, you have to just go to Google and search for W2 here, and you will get this official link of IRS, and click on this first link here, and here you will find this form W2 in a PDF. You can download this and you can fill this form by yourself. Right, the second form is actually 1099. So same thing, you have to just go to Google. Let me show you. We will just go back here, and here we will just type here 1099S and just hit the enter. So this is the second form which you need. I just click on this again, the first link of the IRS, right? And here you will get this link of this 1099S. As you can see here, the current revision, right? This is the latest one. And you need one more document which is called income statement, right? Because that is very important. And yeah, so now let's get started. So have your social security number, which is SSN, or taxpayer identification number, which is called TIN. Right now you have to go to the New Jersey Division of Taxation website. So if you don't know the website, let me again show you. I will just go to Google, and here you have to type www.state, right, and .nj.us, and just hit the enter. Now basically the New Jersey, this is official website here, and here once you click on it, you have to go to the Treasury section. Let me show you. And once you go to the Treasury section, you will be able to go to the taxation section, right? So if you don't find here, no worries, you can just go back here and you can just write here slash treasury, and same way in the last you have to write here taxation, right? And we will just hit the enter and again slash and hit the enter. Now basically you will get this first link here, and it is the official link of this New Jersey, and this is a treasury as well as the taxation section. Right now here, once you are here, select the appropriate. You have to navigate to the file section of the website, right? So you have to log in into this, and once you have logged in into this, you can see here there are two options. For example, New Jersey income tax refunds and for the senior freeze applications, right? So once you have logged in into your account, select the appropriate filing method based on your filing status and type of return. Example, NJ1040 for individual income tax, right? And once you're here, you will be able to go to, it's your first time filing online, you may need to create an account with the NJ Division of Taxation, which I already informed you earlier, right? And returning users can log in into by using the credentials. So this is very easy. If you don't know, you can just make your own account. If you have an account, then it's great. The online system will automatically calculate your tax liability and based on the information provided. So what information you have to provide? To enter your income, deductions, credit, and other relevant information. Double check all the entries for the accuracy before submitting. Once you have completed the form and review it for the accuracy, submit your return electronically, which is e-file, and follow if there is any notification on your screen. Right now, accept payment method typically include direct debit card from your debit from your bank account, or credit or buy through debit card too. After filing and paying, you should receive a confirmation on the submission and the payment details. Right now, you are expecting a refund. You can check its status using the same website. Check your refund. So you have to just go to here and you have to search for this option, which is on the top right. And here in the search bar, you have to click on check my refund and just hit the enter. Now you will get the sum of the search here. You can see check your refund, and here where is my refund, click on it. You will be redirected to the new website. So right now it's showing an error because this is a government website and sometimes it doesn't work, right? So you can just call on this number and they will just give you a status of your refund, and if this works, then it's great. So when can I start checking my refund? 4 weeks or more after your file electronically, at least 12 weeks after your mail your return, or 15 weeks or more, right? So make sure you just read each and everything. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.